to my future employer. I am Belen Ram, Philippines, 31 years old and a single parent of three kids, which is 11, 9 years old, and 5 years old. My highest education is high school. I have experience from Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months, working for seven family, which is the couple, one grandma, one sister, and three kids, ages 14 years old, 11 years old, and 8 years old kid. And also I have experience from Philippines for 5 years, five members of the family, the couple and the three kids, ages 14 years old, 11 years old, and 8 months old baby. And to my future employer, please hire me because I'm a trustworthy person and a hardworking, loving to your kids, and honest person. And to maintain a good relationship to my employer is to communicate clearly, listen to them, and do my best for my job. And I hope you will choose me to be part of your family as a helper. Thank you.